WordPress is a great veteran content management system that gives teams the ability to manage content across the world. But just like any CMS, if you don't have a process around making sure all the media assets you're delivering, like images and videos, are optimized, you're going to impact the user experience and hurt performance. To solve this, we can use Cloudinary's WordPress plugin, which easily provides automatic image and video optimization for our entire WordPress site. To install it, head over to the plugin section inside of your WordPress dashboard and click Add New. Where here we can simply search for Cloudinary. Once it loads, we can click Install Now and select Activate. We're now towards the bottom of your WordPress dashboard sidebar. We're going to see the Cloudinary item, which we can select. Or if this is your first time using Cloudinary, you can go ahead and click the sign up button, but I already have an account, so I'm going to scroll down and click Next. Where now I want to find my Cloudinary connection string from my Cloudinary dashboard. Once we're logged into our Cloudinary account, we can see right at the top of the dashboard our account details, where we have a few items here available to us, but we want to particularly find the API environment variable, where we're going to head over to the copy button on the right and click copy. Back inside of our WordPress plugin setup, we're going to paste in that value, and we can see that we're automatically going to make sure that you're pasting in a valid connection string. But then we can click next. Where here we can see that we can configure what we want to optimize, whether we want to optimize everything or we only want to optimize some things. In order to get the best results out of my media, I'm going to leave all the default settings on and click next. And now we're all set up ready to go, where Cloudinary will start syncing all your media assets to your Cloudinary media library. In order to check the progress, we can click Go to Plugin Dashboard, or we can simply navigate over to the Cloudinary item again, where we can already see that 96% of my assets are already optimized. If we head over to the media section of our WordPress dashboard, we can see exactly what assets have currently been synced and what their status is. But once they're successfully uploaded, we're going to notice a few things, where first of all, Cloudinary is going to load SVG placeholders instead of the images to provide a better experience for making sure the page doesn't shift as all those images load. But once those images do load, we can see that they're now being served from Cloudinary, and on top of that, we're getting automatic optimization. This includes Fauto and Qauto, where Fauto is going to automatically serve the most modern format the browser can support, where here it's going to be AVIF in Chrome, where Qauto is going to automatically compress the image to a point where it's not going to be human perceivably different. We can see this is noticeably different, where previously we were serving those images as PNG files where the total size was 1.8 megabytes, but now we're being able to serve them as AVIF files, which is going to give us a size of 147 kilobytes. This works similarly with videos, where previously we were delivering 11.9 megabytes in video file size, where now with our automatic optimization, we're only serving 4.3 megabytes. So in review, to make sure that we're automatically delivering all of our media assets as performant as we can use the Cloudinary WordPress plugin that easily provides blanket optimization of all of our assets. Once installed, the plugin will improve how you're loading images and videos. It'll make sure you're delivering them in the most modern format possible and making sure everything is optimized to deliver as great of a user experience as you can.